Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, we could see that Bitcoin actually has come down perfectly towards support. Once again, I outlined yesterday that we had some pretty strong chances of heading to the downside, and we did get rejected right here. We came back down to exactly 51,500, which is the bottom of our resistance box right here. And right now we are above it once again and testing the top of the resistance box at 52,600. But we'll see for the time being if Bitcoin is going to recover. In my opinion, I am looking at this current pattern right here. We did have a wick down to this yellow line, major support. The RSI is starting to almost bottom out here. If we do head to lower levels, I'm still confident in my long. I'm still holding it. Getting pretty close to liquidation. Obviously, running it to pretty close. We're at I think we entered in at 63,000. Let's take a look here. 63,600 or 500. 63,000. Our liquidation is around 50,200. So if we get around that area, then yeah, we will get stopped out. But then, I still believe in my trade at the moment. Even if we have a -5 right here and a 17 and a decreasing money flow, obviously things are looking pretty bad, especially with the weekly time frame with the 19 and and a -5 right there on the weekly time frame. But we are going to hold our trades with conviction. I just want to outline some key things. Some people are saying that's it, this is the end, the bull run's over, right? People are panicking like we've fallen to $30,000 like we did here. We had a 50% correction. We went from 65 all the way down to $30,000 or 28,000, 29,000. Right now we've only gone a 25% correction, right? 23% for the time being. Well, this is not the first time we've gone at 23%. We got one there, we got one right here, right? And we got one, I guess you could say we got one right here too ish. 28% is a little more than usual, but every time this has happened, we've gotten a bounce to the upside and a bounce back up to the upside. Now the thing is this going to be a continuation pattern? We bounce and continue to the upside, or are we going to break and go down? Right, this is the $1,000,000 question that everybody's asking. And now you can start taking a look at your long-term indicators, right? The hash ribbons are getting a little bit close, but they still have a good amount that are far apart from each other, so I'm not too worried. We're still in a 19% profit at the moment. People are saying this is the end. I cannot justify these claims. Obviously all coins are selling off significantly harder than Bitcoin, down 8%, 6%, 7%. Atom was actually holding off very well compared to the entire crypto market. Atom was up all the way up to $32. Is only back down to $30 for the time being. So obviously Atom is doing very well. Congratulations to all you Atom holders. But you guys just have to look at the long-term outlook of the situation, right? We had to hold this key level right here as support. Obviously you could extend it a little bit more. This is where I've drawn mine. But if you look at these key levels, maybe we are going to dip underneath it, and maybe we're going to come back up and keep trying to hold it for a long time. Maybe we are going to do something like this, and eventually we will keep going to the upside. This could be another consolidation phase, a reaccumulation period, if you will, at these levels, right? Doesn't mean we have to moon or dump right away. Obviously we are testing some key levels of support, so obviously some people are, there's a lot of panic in the market. We did fall all the way down to 51,000 today, so obviously there's a little bit of panic in the market. So, and especially with the COVID variant and everything else, it definitely doesn't help. But I'm still very calm. Keep calm and trade on, right? There's no need to panic. There's always relaxed. There's always the next day. There's always the next trade. You guys are all working individuals. At least I hope most of you are. And you have good cash flow coming in, which means if you do end up losing your trades, then you can always reinvest into the market, learn from your mistakes, compound your investments back into profits, right? It's not the end of the world, right? And right now Ethereum looking quite bearish as well, but you know, we did come back down to some key levels right exactly at this yellow line at $4,034. Sorry, what am I doing? I'm very illiterate today. But yeah, we could see that we did get rejected from this resistance line right here on Ethereum. We had 1 touch point, 2 touch points, 3 touch points, and then the 4th touch point. That was it for Ethereum, and then we came back down. Are we going to come back up and make a 5th touch point, right? This is once again the $1,000,000 question that everybody's asking. In my opinion, I'm just going to watch for the markets, and I'm going to hold the current trades that I have. Anyways, hopefully this was helpful for you guys for some short-term analysis, some speculation. Right now, Bitcoin back to 52,600. I'm also looking at a key pattern like this, right? These were the patterns I was outlining a little bit. There we go. And earlier before, you know, we are still within this pattern. You know, we came back down and touched it perfectly, right at this support. Now, are we going to bounce out of here? Or are we going to break down? You know, all things are pointing that we should get a bounce here. You know, RSI is starting to bottom out, even on the daily time frame, getting pretty low to these levels. You know, this indicates that we should technically get a bounce from here, but we'll have to see, right? We're gonna place our trades, and we're gonna see what the market gives us. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and I'll talk to you guys later. If you haven't already, you can use my Big Get link at $630 in bonus and a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. Follow me on Copy Trades to, you know, make some money. Talk to you guys later. Peace.